Hello children, how are you all? Are you fine at home? Enjoying? Okay, so I'm here with the first chapter of your English book. That is, what is the chapter? The chapter is 3 questions. Chapter 1, the topic is 3 questions. The story is 3 questions. Chapter 1 from your English book, and the writer is Leo Tolstoy. The writer is Leo Tolstoy. In this story, we'll come to know how the king solved these 3 questions. Before that, we'll go through the hard words. Council, a group of people chosen to give advice to the king and make rules. Right? Counselors, advisors, that you know. Wisdom, knowledge. Hermit, saint. Sadhu log, the people who lives alone in the forest or in a place, silent place. Widely known, famous. Beds, a plot in a garden used for growing flowers. Fainted, become unconscious, senseless. Revenge. What is that revenge? Revenge means the action of hurting someone. Right? Then the action of hurting someone in return for an injury or wrong suffered of their hands. Revenge, badla lena, right? In return, hurting someone. Seized, took away, captured. Okay. Made up mind, determined. Made peace with, compromise. Right? Next, this is a story about the king who was having 3 questions. The king was having 3 questions. Main 3 questions he was having, and he wanted to solve. He wanted to get answers of these 3 questions. He was knowing if he knows, or anyone who knows these answers of these 3 questions can handle, can manage, can do work properly and with success. The king wanted to get the answers of these 3 questions because he was knowing that this is very important for anyone to be successful in life. To be successful in life, all should know the answers of these 3 questions. 3 questions. What were the 3 questions the king was having? First question, what is the right time to begin anything? What is the right time to begin anything? To start anything? What is the right time to start anything? Right? Second question, who are the people he should ask or consult before he start anything? Second, who are the people he should ask or consult before he start anything? कुछ काम करने से पहले किससे सलाह लेना चाहिए? Right? First question, टाइम क्या है? कुछ करने के लिए हमारा टाइम क्या होना चाहिए? And second thing, कि हम किससे सलाह लें? किसी को पूछना चाहिए हम कुछ करने से पहले, तो किससे लें? Third one, what is the most important thing that we should do? Third question, What is the most important thing that we should do? हम क्या करेंगे वो हमें जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है before we go for a work or go for anything. तो हमें क्या करना है? हमें पहले एक प्लान करना चाहिए एंड क्या करना है that also should be decided. If we have planned properly, then only we can do. So what we're going to do, that also should be clear, and what is the most important thing that we should do. The king announced, so he wanted to get answers of these 3 questions. So he wanted to get advice from people, so he announced, asked the messengers to spread this message all around his country, all around his kingdom. One who will give answers of these 3 questions will be rewarded handsomely. Will be rewarded handsomely means अच्छा खासा अवार्ड दिया जाएगा. ठीक है? Over. Now people came from different places. All they came from different places and they gave different answers. Obviously people are different, so answers also will be different, right? So some they said we should follow timetable, some they said we should consult with a magician, some they said we should take advice from the advisors. So all answers were different. So the king was confused. उनको पता नहीं चल रहा था क्या करना है. All they gave different answers and the king was not getting actual answers of these 3 questions. So the king was also confused. Now what he has to do, he thought, he planned, as I'm not getting answers of these 3 questions from these many people, इतने सारे लोग आए, किसी से नहीं मिला है, all they are very knowledgeable person, all they are having wisdom, expert people came, then also I'm not getting. Some they said you should consult a doctor. So the king was confused. So finally he took decision. He decided, I will meet a hermit. I will meet a hermit. H-E-R-M-I-T, hermit. Hermit, a person who lives alone in a silent place or in the forest also. You can say he lives in a hut, living all luxuries of life, simple living. He leads a simple living with simple clothings, simple foodings, like that. So he wanted to meet the saint. So for that what he has to do? He also have to be very simple to meet the hermit, right? So he planned, I will meet a hermit to get all these answers. So he decided. In next video we'll come to know how did he reach there and what he did over there and how did he get answers of these 3 questions. Clear? So till now this much. You will get another video for this chapter and then we'll come to know how the king got answers of these 3 questions. Okay, till now, bye bye, take care, be happy, be safe at home, bye.